All right, today we're going to bring a tire inflator portable air compressor. It's cordless. This is easy to use. This is pretty much what you get. You get the actual car adapter, a bag included, and adapters for different types of air fills that you want to do, from balls to basketballs to pretty much bikes, cars. And then on top of that, you could also charge other devices like your cell phone. There was only one input and one screw in and a type C connection where you actually charge it. So this is where all the compressor comes out. It's very simple to use. And if you guys can see, put in here in place and set it up. Now there's different functions on the back that tell you what kind of vehicles and bikes and so forth that you have to fill in. I like the see-through glass. It's a plexiglass. It's real. It has 5 buttons. Very simple to turn on and off and control the actual valve. Once you have everything set up and you know exactly how much pounds you have to put of air in your tire, it's very simple to just put it up, automatically install it, set up your numbers, and you're all set.
Settings. You could actually use this for your tires, of course. You could do any type of balls that are inflatable. You could use it on pretty much anything that you want, any type of air mattress or type of things that you need to inflate. It comes with all these different attachments, as you can see right here. It comes with a couple fuses in case the other one blows out. So this is for balls right here. These are for other type of inflator toys.